There we go. Dad and Buttercup out for a wander. Got your jacket on? You do? Yeah, no sun today. No snow either. Well, it did snow a little bit earlier. Hey. Buttercup's been stuck inside all day doing this. Anyway, happy holidays again. A few days till the Christmas. Boxing Day. How are we doing, Buttercup? Still a bit of snow. Not as much as here sometimes. Temperature, well, I think. Shout out to Perth, Australia. 101 degrees Fahrenheit. And what are we, 20? Hey Buttercup, and you're still out here. Woo. Definitely not a Southern Hemisphere Christmas. December even, just definitely not a Southern Hemisphere December. That's winter, summer down there. That's why Australia is so freaking hot, although that's west. And a bit of the sun coming down. Snow's revealing more and more, isn't it, Buttercup? Hey? Still trying to find your tiny little booties. Anyone wants to give us let us know where to get tiny little booties that'll stay on them. Hey? A lot easier for the biggie dogs. All the big dogs and stuff. Cats inside still. Princesses inside. It's just Buttercup. Hey Buttercup. You coming? Oh, excuse me. Yeah, no rush. Keep it under 3 minutes and I can upload it. Especially this angle. Where you go and you're going to explore the whole everything, eh? That's where the wildlife ends out. Oh. The neighbour's back. We're going to have a house here so soon. It's going to be cool. There's the back of the house. There's the house. Anyway, Buttercup, you coming back? Wherever you're going? Where are you? Oops. There you are. You coming back? Come on. We'll go around the other way. Since there used to be a forest there for that to play in. Not anymore. You coming? Yeah, anyway. Happy holidays to you all.